Hi my lovely viewers, this is Hello to our learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable or on Windows latest updates in Windows 11. So for this case we have to go to the search. Here we will click the settings. You have to write as because that hasn't. So then here this, so in below we will go to the Windows update. So click here. So what we want the Windows latest update. So here the latest update, so get the latest updates as soon as they are available. So by default it has off. If we want to enable or on this update, Windows update, then we will press here, this here. So in this way the Windows updation will thoroughly work. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.